different places you will see. Let's hop, skip and learn with Deevee.
Hi, I am Deevee, your best friend. Do you want to see where I am? Come. Wow! So good. Wow, look at this! Whoa, I'm at a bakery, and this bakery is called the Old Madras Baking Company. I have never seen bread in so many different shapes and sizes. This looks fun. Wow, look at this. This is square in shape. Wow, look at this. This is so big, like a football. Oh, wow, look at this. It has got something over it, like sugar. This looks like a bat. Oh, wow, look at these bagels. And one of them has sesame seeds over it. Isn't that fun? Whoa! Wow! This is sourdough bread, so big. This is probably one of the biggest breads I've seen here. Wow! Whoa! Smells yummy. This is so big. I'm very sure it's tasty. Wow, I think it's too heavy. Whoa, look at this. They have so many baked goods. They have butter croissant, they have black currant roll, they have blueberry Danish, they have apple Danish, they have cinnamon bomb, they have feta and mushroom pizza. They have custard Danish, custard bun, Nutella brioche. Wow, there are muffins. There are cookies. Whoa, it says try a sample.
Awesome.
Let's try a sample. Wow, I think this is a banana cake. Yummy. Whoa, look at this. Cheese and butter biscuits. There is Japanese sugar rusk. And there are so many biscottis. Yummy. Okay. What?
What?
There is chocolate caramel babka. What is that? It looks so nice and spiral in a different shape. Wow, I really want to try that. Ma'am, can I please get chocolate caramel babka? Wow, chocolate caramel babka.
Yippee!
Let us go.
Awesome.
This is good!
I am totally loving this. It is so yummy. But I wonder, how is this made? Do you want to see how it is made? Okay, so we are going inside the bakery kitchen. Usually, only chefs and the staff are allowed inside. But today, I'm going to take you inside. Come! Whoa, this is nice. I'm all ready to bake now. Look at all these machines. So cool. Whoa, these are all the ingredients. Nice. Wow, this is the weighing machine. Look at these giant containers. wheat flour, maida flour. Wow, let me open maida flour. Wow! Wow! Look at this giant scooper, so big. Wow! Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one big scoop of maida and put it in this container. I'm going to keep the scooper back and close the lid. Okay, now let's go start making our chocolate babka. First thing that we need to do is sieve this maida flour. The sieve is making the maida flour very smooth and it's leaving all the rough crumbs on the top. Look how smooth the sieve has made it. Wow. Now let's mix the other ingredients. Now, let's just weigh the mixture that we just made. This says this is 710 grams. Now, let's put this mixture into this machine. Come on. Whoa, look at this dough machine. I'm going to open this and put this mixture into the machine. Now I'm going to add some water. Wow. And some milk. Oh! It says ON. That means on. Let's see what happens if I press this button. Whoa! It started mixing. Wow! Whoa! It is done! This is interesting. The dough is made. I think I should switch it off. Look at this. It says OFF. It means off. Okay, it's ready. Let me open this. Such a fine dough. But how do I take it out? Whoa, look what I found in my pocket. This is called a scraping tool, a scraper. And you notice the color of this? It's red. And this is my favorite color. Now let's take out the dough. And look at this dough. So sticky and big. Now before I put this dough on this table, I need to put some flour on this so that this dough doesn't stick. Okay, let me put this dough now. Now I need to knead the dough. Chef, could you please come and help with this? Thank you, Chef. So, now I need to put this dough into this cover. Now, we need to take this one into the chiller room. this is a chiller and we need to keep this dough inside it for 1 whole day. It's so cold. Bye bye, baby dough. Miss you. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Let's open the chiller and find my friend Dough. Hi Dough. I missed you. How are you? He's ready. Now let me put this dough into this machine, which will turn my dough into a thin sheet. Dough onto this. Whoa, look here. The chef is keeping the dough from there to the front. And he is putting some flour into it and he switched it on. Whoa, look at that, it's so thin and it's going back. Can I try this? Yes. Yay! Now I think that's about enough. Now this dough is thin. Now this machine has turned this dough into a thin sheet. Do you like butter? I love butter. Yum, 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 yum. Let me go and get it. This is a thin sheet of frozen butter. Yum. Now let me put this into the middle of this. Now let me fold this dough on this butter. Right fold, left fold. Now, this looks like the dough has wrapped the butter. Let's put this back into the machine. I'm switching this on. There's the last time. He's folding this thin dough. Wow! That's 2 folds, 1 and 2. And now it's ready to go into the machine again. More thinning. Now he is putting this sheet of dough into this cover and keeping it back in the chiller. Whoa, it's chilly again. Whoa, it's such a thin sheet. Now, let me fluff it. Let's add some caramel sauce to it. Caramel. Wow, look at that. He's applying the caramel sauce over it. Wow, look at that. Looks so yummy already. Yum, yum, yum. Now, let's add some chocolate into it. Now, what we have here are diced chocolates. Chocolates which are cut into small shapes. Now, let's take these chocolates and add it over the side of this. This looks like making a road out of chocolate. Now he's taking the cutter and cutting this dough into small pieces. Wow, I'm so excited that I did this. I'm so proud of myself. So please take care of this. It is done! Wow, look at these! So many slices of caramel and dough and chocolate. Yum, yum, yum. He's twisting the pieces that we just cut. And he's taking a mold and he's putting them inside. This almost looks like the babka, the chocolate babka. Wow, seems like that is easy. Can I try? Okay, so I'm going to take a mold kept here. I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to twist it slowly. And put one inside. Take another. Twist this one too. And going to put this inside. Look at this! I'm so happy and proud of myself that I got this done! Now the next step is we need to put this into the proofer. Let's go! Whoa, I'm here! Now I have to put what I made onto this tray. Take this tray. Come on, I'll show you. Now I'm going to put this tray into the proofer. I'm going to slide this in. And it is very warm inside. But let me close the door. Now this machine is so warm inside that it rises the dough and makes it fluffy. Wow, look at this. It has become fluffy. Now let's take this to the oven to bake it. Now I need to put this inside to bake it. In you go. Happy baking. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's ready! But first, let me wear my mittens because it's going to be hot. Wow! It smells so good! Look at this! My chocolate caramel babka is ready to eat! But there is one last thing. Come on, I'll show you. Now, I'm going to pour some honey over it. Open and yum! Wow! I have made my chocolate caramel babka and I'm gonna eat this. Smells so good. I'm so proud and happy that I made this myself. Now, I'll take this home and share it with my friends and family and eat it with them. Yay! Chef, thank you so much for teaching me and helping me make this chocolate caramel babka.
Welcome, I hope you enjoy.
Will do, thank you. Come on. Wow. Ma'am, I made this. Could you please pack it for me? Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm going home. Bye-bye, the old Madras Baking Company. It was so much fun here. To see more of me, search for Deevee, Deevee. And I will see you again, superstar. Love you.